Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog, and this time it's a food vlog. It's one of the most requested recipes of mine. It's the healthy and delicious noodles with tofu and salmon. You are going to love this and you will share this with your family and friends. This is my own recipe discovery while I was trying to find a noodle recipe somewhere where I can incorporate more proteins like tofu and salmon. I transitioned from being a vegan to a vegetarian, so this is it. You are going to love this, promise. So here are the ingredients: chopped celery, chopped green onions, separate the green and the white part. We have the minced garlic. Then we have the chopped onions, white onions. And then we have the chopped parsley for garnishing later. And we have the cabbage cut in long strips. Then the extra firm tofu, make it organic if you can. And then the salmon. You can use fresh salmon, or I use this one I buy from Costco. It's the wild caught salmon burger. That will work too. Just make sure it's wild caught. Then we have bell peppers of different colors. I just like to see that different colors, aesthetic value, but you can just pick one or two colors. Then we have the noodles. I use this cooked noodle. You can find these in every Asian stores or even in regular grocery stores. I like it because it's fresh and it really better for my recipe. But you can use uncooked noodles and just follow the instructions how to cook them. As usual, I will post the recipe down below for easy reference. For the special sauce, you will need soy sauce or tamari. I use tamari more. Toasted sesame oil, oyster sauce, honey, and sesame seeds for garnishing. This is the secret to this recipe. This will make your noodles really tasty and delicious. Before you start cooking, prepare your delicious sauce and set it aside. Make sure to mix it well. So let's start cooking. First, heat oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. I use olive oil here. Then add the onions and stir fry for about 3 minutes, or cook until it's golden and caramelized a little bit. Then you add the white part of the green onions and the garlic. Cook for about 2 minutes, or until you smell the aroma of the garlic. Oh, it smells so good. I love garlic. Then you can add the celery and cook for another minute or two. Doesn't take that long. When your celery is a little translucent, you can add your tofu and your salmon. I use salmon burger here and it's already cooked. So this will take only about 8 minutes. Mix it a little bit and let it cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Cover the pan or the skillet or whatever you're using. This will make sure that the moisture will be retained and it will taste better. I've noticed that when I cook tofu and salmon like this, stir fry, it tastes better when it's covered. After it's cooked, 6 to 8 minutes, I transfer to another container, a plate or another pan or skillet. Set it aside. Now in the same pan or skillet that you cook the tofu and the salmon, you add some oil, medium heat, and then when it's hot, you add your peppers, the bell peppers, and cook it for about 3-4 minutes or until it's al dente. It's not only for noodles but also for peppers. It should be the right texture so it will not be so mushy and soft. After that, you can add your cabbage. Mix it well. Again, cover it and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. Cabbage will take a little longer to cook until it's soft. When the cabbage is cooked, you're ready to add your noodles. Remember, here I am using already cooked noodles, so I don't do anything. If it's from the freezer, I just kind of soak it in the warm water and then just add it and mix it with your vegetables. If you are using uncooked noodles, like I said earlier, follow the directions on how to cook them before adding. After the noodles are mixed with the vegetables, you can now add your green onions and mix it well. Now this is the perfect time to add your magical and delicious sauce. The key to this recipe, make sure to incorporate it and really mix it well. Oh, the aroma of the sauce will make you so hungry. Now you can add the tofu and the salmon right here, and again mix it well. And that is it. And here you go, your healthy and delicious noodles with tofu and salmon. It will be a hit with your family and friends. You can add the chopped parsley for garnishing, and you can also add more toasted sesame seeds right here. I can tell you, every time I cook this, my friends and family want more, especially my mom. It's a quick meal and stores well for leftovers. You can microwave and reheat them. And it's healthy, full of flavor, and so delicious. And I know you're going to love it too. Happy cooking, happy eating, and be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Take care, everybody. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.